Woo! I already worked out, finished my morning routine, and welcome to a new coffee talk. In this episode, I'm going to talk about how to transform a small car into a home. Let's have a look. I already finished my morning routine with reading, writing, drinking a coffee, meditating, visualization, and of course working out. And I played a little bit on my Costa board to work on my balance as well. I put all my stuff back in there to show you how to set everything up. You can see in there pretty well. So I slept really good. I had enough place. Maybe I get a thicker mattress because it was kind of hard to sleep in there. But I think it's okay. I don't have any pain now. So I'm really happy with the construction. The curtains, they are attached to a steel rope, and I think it works pretty well by now, especially on the right side. First, I get the chair out of there. You see, I put the surfboard on top of all my other stuff, so I have enough room on the side that I'm sleeping. But in the morning, I just put it back on my bed to get to all the cooking stuff. Nice. You see, I don't have that much space here. That's why I put the skateboard here, because it doesn't take that much room, and I think it's a nice place for it. I have a cooling box here with a lot of water in there. I actually need water to make coffee. Still got some clothes here because the night was pretty cold. And all the cooking gadgets for eating, for cooking, for making a meal are beneath the cooling box. So I think it's also a good place to make the best out of it, just behind the driver's seat. So, alright, got the water. What I need is the cooking plate, my mobile gas cooker, really handy tool. Yeah, so that's what I need in the morning. The stuff for the coffee is already at the back because I need this a lot. I try to avoid, just digging down every time I want to have a coffee. So that's why I keep the coffee close to the back. And it's just faster to make coffee on the road that way. All right, so we are at the back again. You see I have a nice wood construction there. I made this to just have a little bit of more room beneath the place that I'm sleeping. And because the front seat is at a higher level than the back, that's why I made this construction to have a plain surface for my bed. So I included a wood table. It's pretty creative, I think. It's just this side. Yeah, works like a table. I really love these things. They work so well. I'm thinking about getting another one, but for now, I'm really happy with just one gas cooker. Coffee, French press, cup. What else do I need? Some water. I'm always pouring the water into the French press, so I'm making sure to use the right amount of water. And I really have to get a nice water can with about 10 liters. Right now I have 5 bottles in my cooling box, and yeah, that's not really sustainable. I want to have one 10-liter can that I can refill on the road all the time. This will probably take a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm showing you more details of my car transformation. Let's start at the driver's side. So when I sleep, I use this net, which is really nice because you can open the windows here to get some fresh air in there, but you avoid getting insects in there. That's really handy, and I can recommend it to everyone. On the front window, I use this sun protection. Works pretty well, but I'm not super happy with this solution here. You see the net is not stretching over the whole window, so if someone is walking by, he or she can look inside and probably will see me. As well as here, there's a little space left too, but for now it's okay. When I sleep, I have some stuff on the driver's seat, I place the shoes here, I have my guitar there, a backpack with basic stuff in there, maybe some clothes that I need, toothbrushes, which I actually forgot today, so I will note that down for next time. My computer, books, and that's basically it. That's just my journal. Something fell down. I bought this charging adapter so I can also load my computer while driving, and has some USB ports too. Really nice tool. I thought it's worth the money. That's my mobile speaker here, so I can always have some music in the car. Yeah, you see what I mean? Here people could still look inside. So I'm not 100% happy with that solution. And also on top, you see it's not covering the whole window, but it's working. Okay, let's go to this side. So at the back here, I don't have that much stuff actually. This thing is not really holding together, so maybe I have to fix it with some nails because the Velcro wasn't working. Maybe I throw it away, maybe I leave it there. I have to think about it, but it would be nice to have something like this next to the bed. Beneath it, you see here, I have underpants, some clothes. Still have to figure out where I will put all my clothes when I only live on the road or when I move to France, but it's working so far. I got all my surfing equipment basically in this water sealed box here. Yeah, changing towel, the coca, board shorts, rashi, and my wetsuit. I really like this box. It's not too big, and that's what I need for my car because my car isn't big either. Surfer's towel, and all of this goes down there. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, you see I have these ropes here just to fix some stuff on top of my car inside, so it's not disturbing me while sleeping, but saves a lot of room at the same time. There's one thing that I also implemented in my car to take another person with me. I can move this wood to the back so that the second seat can be used by another person. I will show you how I do it, but first let's finish the coffee. I can also sit in the back of my car, so I don't have to get out my camping chair all the time when I want to have a coffee. I really love this moment. I'm back at my home on the road. Life on the road is a little bit different because I feel so much more independent. I can do whatever I want, I can sleep wherever I want. Home is everywhere. My car is my home. It's really cozy in there. It's not that big. Admittedly, I know it, and people were laughing at me, but I didn't give a fuck. I knew I can do it. And look at me, I have my home on the road now, again, in Austria with this small car, and I love it. Being surrounded by nature has such a good influence on my mind. That's why I wanted to live close to nature for my whole entire life. Close to the beach, and there is nothing comparable than the ocean. The ocean is just pure nature. I'm so looking forward to live there again, and it will happen pretty soon. And I have my home on the road. I can't believe it. It's happening. You know, if you hold on to your vision, if you hold on to your dreams, eventually you will end up there. You will realize your vision. So don't let others tell you you can't do anything. Stick to yourself. Keep it real and keep going day by day. I know there are sometimes downs, there are doubts. I have a lot of doubts, but you have to forget them. Think positive, see the good things in life and forget about all the negative aspects. If someone is telling you you can't do it, basically means he or she can't do it. Because you can do whatever you want. It's your life, it's your choice, so make the best out of it. I was living this lifestyle in Australia for months. You know, I was working, living in the car, and it worked out so well. And why not doing it for longer? And if you want to learn more about my working holiday life experience in Australia, you can read one of my blog posts. The link is in the description below. There's one thing I still wanted to show you. How I make it possible to take another person with me. In the back I fixed the curtains with some magnets, so I can just move them to the side while driving. It's perfectly working. I'm super happy with this solution. Unfortunately, I don't have steel or metal inside because I probably would use the magnets everywhere. It's really good. I really hope you can see this. The idea is just to get this up. Push it to the back. And then I can open it here. Perfect. The only thing is when I do this, you see you have enough room, but the surfboard is kind of big. So I probably use this option only when I live somewhere at the beach and when I want to take someone out for dinner or enjoy the sunset together. You see, I got everything in here now. Can move it back. Get the construction out of there together. Get it back. Awesome. If you want to be part of my journey, learn more about a healthy and sustainable lifestyle in skateboarding and surfing, learn more about active recovery, make sure to subscribe for this channel and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching, see you on the next week's episode, and until then, take it nice and easy. I am posting a new instruction video for rolling, stretching, mobility or active recovery every Tuesday at 8 p.m. I also have a coffee talk where I basically talk about anything that pops up in my mind every Sunday at 10 a.m. I still continue writing on my blog and I will post a new topic every Thursday at 6 p.m.